You're listening to Sounds of the Holidays, presented by the Audio Flow, LLC.
This is Nancy Peterson. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. Well, that was not entirely true. Colette was stirring. Around the Christmas holidays, my older sister was always too excited to sleep on Christmas Eve. She would spend weeks in advance decorating our shared bedroom with lights and tinfoil Christmas trees that she made by hand. And of course, we had a record player, and Christmas carols were playing nonstop. One particular year, when I was 11 years old, there was one thing I really, really wanted. Colette woke me up. She had turned on the lights in the room and turned on the Christmas music. We could hardly wait. As quietly as we could, we tiptoed up the stairs, hoping not to wake our parents, and snuck into the front room. We plugged in the Christmas tree, and the lights sprang to life. There, hanging on the mantel, were stockings full of goodies. I wondered if the thing I wanted was in there. So I went over, and I very carefully opened the top. About halfway down, I could see it. A copper-colored disc sitting among all the other little trinkets in my stocking. I carefully pulled it out and admired it. I was 11 years old, and this was my first makeup. It was from Avon, and it looked like a shiny penny, about 10 times the actual size. And when you twisted the lid off, it had 2 shades of lip gloss in there. I will never forget the year the Avon lady was Santa Claus.